Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beadaholique. I love working with rhinestone cup chain, and this orange and gold cup chain is absolutely beautiful. I am going to create some earrings, and I don't have any of those cup chain end findings. Sometimes they're hard to find, sometimes you can't find the right size, but not to worry. If you want to make a pair of earrings, you don't need the finding. All you need to do is pull a loop of your rhinestone chain, so put the two backs together, and then grab some 24 gauge wire and wrap it around the first channel underneath that first rhinestone cup. And you'll just need maybe 2 or 3 wraps around this wire. When you pull it tightly, will secure those two pieces together very nicely. Then you're going to want to pull the wire up and create a crisscross. So I pull up one wire from one side and the other from the other. And then I'm going to just do a little bit of wire wrapping. So I'm going to pull one wire up and I'm going to wrap the other wire around it. And this can be as many wraps as you'd like. I did about 3 here. I cut off my excess, and then I've got another wire to create a wire wrap loop. So you would wrap it just like you would a wrapped bead or something like that. So use your chain nose pliers and pull that wire around until you've got a nice substantive wrap sitting on top of those cups. And then all you need to do is attach it to a beautiful ear wire. These are some of my new favorites. They're French hoop ear wires. They're so beautiful. And I really love this style. You can make this cup chain earring as long as you'd like or as short as you'd like, but all you need is a little bit of wire and you've got beautiful earrings that look great from the front and the side. I absolutely love them. I think I'm going to keep these for myself. They're so beautiful. You can find everything to make these at beadaholique.com. Thanks for watching.